Many communicate, some connect. Meet Murali Murthy, an acclaimed public speaker, mentor, career coach, and the author of the best-selling ACE series of books, The ACE Principle, The ACE Awakening, and The ACE Abundance, and most of all, the ACE who makes the human connection engaging and lively.
I'm inspired by Murali.
He's a very enthusiastic speaker. He was great.
Murali gives us a lots of confidence.
Murali is great to teach a lot of things.
Murali is an amazing speaker.
Murali is awesome.
You want to add value to the world, but do you know what's missing? Before you add value to the world, add value to yourself.
Murali is the best mentor for a better life.
Embark on the journey to discover your abundant, limitless life. Murali gives his audiences access to the right tools and resources to create their universe of abundance and attract success in all areas of life.
Murali gives and talks sense.
With positive thinking, the right mindset, the right affirmations, and the right actions, he helps them uncover greatness, success, and happiness within days.
If you want to empower your ability and skills, trust Murali.
You could be 6, you could be 65, you could change the day you make a decision.
I'm so lucky to meet Murali and to be connected with him. He's so inspiring.
Murali will challenge you, encourage you, inspire you, and help you to absorb, comprehend, excel, and ace your way to abundant success. The Power of ACE presents Murali Murthy, best-selling author, public speaker, coach, mentor, and master connector.
Let's ace the day.